here. She said hi. Oh, she's back. Do you hear my keyboard? I think it's... I can't tell. I think it's a membrane keyboard, but I can't really tell. I'm not good at telling those kinds of things. I'm not a keyboard person. I want to be, though. Sounds membraney. I kind of like the way it feels, though. Is that wrong? I know that's probably wrong. And keyboard enthusiasts will cry out in pain upon hearing. I kind of like the membrane keyboard on my laptop too. I don't know. I kind of like membrane keyboards. This is horrible. This is the worst thing. Don't let IRyS or Reine hear. I know. I feel like it makes a nice sound. I just don't know. I just need to be educated. Please educate me, IRyS and Reine. I do want to build, or perhaps have built, a nice custom keyboard at some point.